Morning everyone, I'm going to test the theory of a banana and big flathead. See you out there.
So the run's interesting. Flatty, it's a decent tail. Oh no, it's a little Jew. With the PR100, thanks to Peter Newman. The package is how she swims in the water. It's only about... Gorgeous. Wow. Come here. Doesn't get any better, does it? Light line fun. Try a photo and we'll put you back, Croaky. From the mouth, so that's probably what saved me. But that was a great first run. I should have probably... It is pushing, yeah, just under 60. It was pretty cool. Nope, done one. Coming. Still croaking, so that's good. See if we can get a little bit bigger. This in the 5 metre depth. As soon as I changed up to it from the holts, it just went boom. Don't think there's too much damage to that line. It's only 10. What was going through with the hope that resident turtle over here keeps popping up and saying g'day.